Hi, I'm Wallis from Garden Organic, and I'm here to talk to you about leaf mold. Let's get started. In the autumn, leaves fall from your tree and they're all over your lawn. Instead of raking them up and putting them into plastic bags for disposal, use them for leaf mold. Leaf mold is simply putting leaves around your garden beds and around your plants for mulching. It keeps the moisture in, it keeps in nutrients, and it's actually very, very easy to do, particularly with leaves. Just take the leaves that you've collected, that you've raked off your lawn, and put them along the soil and amongst the base of your plants. And they'll help worms and all sorts of living microbes live in your soil and make that soil more nutritious. Now, if you don't want to spread leaves amongst your garden beds right away, another option you have is just to create a really simple bin, just like this, and put your hedge trimmings and your leaves right in it. And over time, it'll end up composting down, and it will absolutely protect them from elements and keep the soil more moist and more nutritious.